ogcina phefumulile ngendaba le umengameli. Umengameli we-ANC uphika uyathinditha ngokufihla ukwetshelwa imali ezingidi zamadola eplasini lakhe elisephalaphala. Lokhu kwenzeka ngemva kokuthi isikhulu saphambilini sezobuhloli uArthur Fraser amvulela amacala obelelesi. Rmaphosa ukuphikile konke lokho uthi lokhu seyindledlana yokulwa naye ngokwepolitiki.
And I want to reaffirm that I was not involved in any criminal conduct, and once again I pledge my full cooperation with any form of investigation.
Umengameli uliphikile nenani lemali $4 million nakakujuleko lokhana simbawona hlathulule.
Due to the investigation, I will not really be able to engage deeply or further on this matter, as we should allow the due process to take place. However, I would like to say that I'm a farmer. I'm in the cattle business and the game business. And through that business, which has been declared in Parliament and all over, I buy and I sell animals. Sometimes people buy these animals, and some of the people who have bought some of the animals, some of them are here. I do it, yes. I do it through, the sales are sometimes through cash or sometimes through transfers.
Nakusenjalo umengameli we-ANC ubuka isifunda seLimpopo ngokubamba iconference le ayibize njengenokuthula. Ukuba ngokukhethana kwakaStanley Mathabatha kumenze wathanyela kwasani wathumba ngezinga eliphezulu. uMathabatha wavumelana nokuthi umengameli we-ANC uCyril Rmaphosa aphathe kwehlandla lesibili usebenzisa ithuba lokwenza njalo godi. Kukhethwe namanye amalunga ekomiti yesifunda ama-30. Abosomkhandla abahlanu bakhathesa khange baphumelele. Lokhu ngenza kuletha umbuzo ukuthi ingakhani icabinet izokuhlelwa ngobutsha na.